Good morning, children. Today we are going to study section formula in the lesson Coordinate Geometry. Let A and B be 2 points in a plane and P be a point on the line segment joining A and B such that AP is to BP equal to M is to N. Then we say that the point P divides the segment AB internally in the ratio M is to N. In this section, we shall develop a formula generally known as section formula for finding the coordinates of P. When we are given the coordinates of A and B and the ratio in which P divides AB internally. The coordinates of the point P x, y which divides the line segment joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 are given by x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. If the point P is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2, we can say the coordinate of the point will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us see some example. Question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point P which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. Let us take the point P x, y on the line segment AB where the coordinates of A is given by 4, -3 and coordinate of B is given by 8, 5. When we join the coordinates of A and B, we get a line segment AB. And if P is the point where it divides the line segment, we are going to find the coordinates of P. Here we can see the ratio is 3 is to 1. That means M1 is equal to 3 and M2 is equal to 1. The coordinates of A 4, -3 are taken as x1 and y1. Coordinates of B that is 8, 5 is taken as x2 and y2. Using section formula we can say P x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is equal to 3 and x2 that is the x coordinate of B. We can see it will be 3 into 8 plus m2 x1. m2 is 1 and x1 is 4. That means 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 by m1 plus m2 which is 3 plus 1. We can see the x coordinate will become 24 plus 4 by 4 which is 28 by 4 equal to 7. In the same way when we take the y coordinate that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Again 3 into 5 plus 1 into -3 by 3 plus 1 which is 15 plus -3 by 4 which is equal to 12 by 4 and the answer is 3. Therefore, the coordinate of P will be 7, 3. Let us start exercise 7.2 in page number 167 and we'll see the different type of problems using section formula while continuing with the problems. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3 internally. Let the point be P which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:3 and the coordinates of P is taken as x, y. Using section formula, we can see the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Here the ratio is 2:3. That means m1 is equal to 2 and m2 is 3. Similarly, the coordinates of A are taken as x1, y1. Coordinates of B is taken as x2, y2. So we can say it will be 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 by 2 plus 3 for the x coordinate and 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3 for the y coordinate, which gives 8 plus -3 by 5 and -6 plus 21 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 5 and 15 by 5 equal to 1, 3. Therefore, we can say the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:3 will be 1, 3. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Trisection means the line segment is divided into 3 equal parts. So here the line segment AB is divided into 3 parts and the 2 points will be P and Q. And we can say as it is divided equally, we can take the ratios as 1:1:1. For finding the coordinate of P with the line segment AB, we can say the ratio will be 1:2. Here we can take the ratio as 1:2 because the distance between the point A to P is 1 unit and from P to B is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, coordinate of P is equal to 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2 and 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2, which is -2 plus 8 by 3 and -3 plus -2 by 3, which is equal to 6 by 3, -5 by 3 equal to 2, -5 by 3. Therefore, we can say the coordinate of P are 2, -5 by 3. To find the coordinates of Q, we can take the ratio as 2:1, that is AQ is to QB, and our answer will be 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 by 1 plus 2 and 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1 by 1 plus 2, which will be 0, -7 by 3. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Here we can see the line segment is divided by a point P and the coordinate of P is given as -1, 6. But the ratio is missing. We can take the ratio as m1:m2 or m:(n) or k:1. Applying section formula, P x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, we can say the coordinate of P is given as negative 1 comma 6 equal to m1, that is the ratio is missing. So, I am going to take it as m and n. So, m into 6 plus n into negative 3 by m plus n for x coordinate and m into negative 8 plus n into 10 by m plus n for y coordinate, which becomes 6m minus 3n by m plus n and negative 8m plus 10n by m plus n. Seeing the left hand side, we can say the x coordinate of the point P is negative 1. Equating the x coordinates, we can say negative 1 is equal to 6m minus 3n by m plus n. Transposing, we have negative 1 into m plus n equal to 6m minus 3n. Open the bracket, we have negative 1m minus 1n equal to 6m minus 3n. Taking the m to the left hand side and n to the right hand side, we have negative 1m minus 6m equal to negative 3n plus 1n, which is negative 7m equal to negative 2n. To find the ratios, we can say it will be m by n is equal to negative 2 by negative 7, which is equal to 2:7. Therefore, we can say the ratio of the coordinate which divides the line segment is 2:7. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma negative 5 and B negative 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also, find the coordinates of the point of division. Here the ratio is missing. So, let us take the ratio as m:n. And the line segment AB is divided by the point P, and this point P is on the x-axis. So, we can take the coordinates of P as x comma 0. Applying the section formula, we can see P x comma 0 is equal to m into negative 4 plus n into 1 by m plus n and m into 5 plus n into negative 5 by m plus n. Here the x coordinate of P is not known and y coordinate of P is 0. So, here instead of equating the x coordinates, we are going to equate the y coordinates. That will be 0 is equal to 5m minus 5n by m plus n. On transposing, we have 0 into m plus n is equal to 5m minus 5n. That will be 0 equal to 5m minus 5n. Transposing 5m to the left hand side, it will be negative 5m is equal to negative 5n. So, finding ratio m by n is negative 5 by negative 5, which is equal to 1:1. Now, we can equate the x coordinate. That means x is equal to negative 4m plus n by m plus n, which can be x is equal to negative 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to negative 3 by 2. Therefore, the coordinate of point P on the x-axis will be negative 3 by 2 comma 0. Based on the exercise problems, you can do the assignment questions number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.